Anybody else?
We will now hear testimony from Brother Nicely Johnson. Brother Nicely Johnson.
Get up, you. Go on, get up.
Well, it happened to be kind of funny, like a dream. That's it, a dream.
Tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the road to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone paid me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. For people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
And the devil will drag you under by the fancy tie around your wicked throat. Sit down,
you're rocking the boat.
I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist. And there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. For people all said, beware!
People all said, beware.
People all said, beware!
People all said, beware.
Scum the ship. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down,
you're rocking the boat.
And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me over